Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. I just woke up. I woke up. I was just waking up and I'm so tired, but this view beats everything. The moment I see this view, it gives me a ton of energy and it just makes me like get hyped and be ready for the rest of the day. Yeah, so am I the only one? Once I wake up, I start to like inspect the house. Like I have to look around, see what's where, what needs to be where, what needs moving, if everything is fine. I don't know. It's as if when God told Adam to guard his creation and take care of it, it's as if he spoke to me directly because I take it so seriously. So that aside, today I just want to show you around. In as much as I have moving parts here and there, I just said, you know what, let me take you around and show you what I'm working with currently. And please note, I source most of my stuff from decor, easily, and where else? Some of the stuff I buy online. So yeah, let me show you around. Do you ever just wake up and you're tired or something? Because I am. I am. Let me show you my plants. My plants. My plants. I washed those. I washed the mats, so yeah. That's why they're out there. Otherwise, the view would be nice. Yeah, so this is my current space. Yeah. Let me move further. This is my current space. Well, right now it's not perfect because I'm busy. I'm trying to change the curtains and so on and so forth. So yeah. Also, this one I got to spread on the main couch. I will, but for now I just, I'm trying to decide which ones to put where. Yeah. Like my space when it's clean and fresh, it makes me so happy, like so happy. So anyway, these plants, I know if you've been watching my videos, I've come a long way with this plant and that flower. This is artificial. Those two are very much alive. Yeah, very much alive. She's been doing quite okay, but two of her leaves fell because they were too heavy for her. But now, yeah, she's doing quite fine. Maybe soon she'll produce more. Let me see if she's opening up. Not yet, but yeah, she's doing quite all right. Also, this was the first time I was mounting my TV. Oh my gosh, I love how it looks. Like it looks definitely better than like when it's on top of the TV stand. But that's just my take. I don't know, whatever works for you. But I love it like that. And then I love the fact that these two lighting they match the chandelier right here. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, I love that. So I was thinking that I like mount a picture of or a picture here or like here. Definitely not on top. I love that space. And then also, but I'm still hesitant. What do you think, guys? Like, I'm thinking I add something here and maybe here in this space. Because I don't like when my space feels congested, So yeah, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but it's definitely something that I'll consider. So yeah, for now, that's what I'm thinking. Also, this time the pieces came in so in handy, like everything. I added this from Orca Deco, this mat. I added it from Okadeco, and it actually matches my TV stand. That was the point. That was definitely the point, and that's why I got that. Those ones, the ones I'm telling you, came in handy. Look at that. The love, the flower, balance, and the board, and also the mat that they're sitting on. I got them both from Okadeco, and I feel like they match the aesthetic of my house, because if you look around, if you look at that, and then you come and look at this, you see the color coordination there? I did it, guys. Let me design your houses. Let me decorate your houses. Yeah, give me the chance. Give me your orders. And then you see also that blue, a bit of blue, yellow, and gold, and white. That's exactly what I brought to my corridor. You see that? And then it goes so well with let me switch on this light. Ooh, look at that. It goes so well with the wall painting that I have. You all know I've had this flag for the longest time. She's like my first baby or something. So yeah, like it matches so well. Like, look at that. Look at that. Especially from a distance. Look at that. You understand? So initially I had this hair, so it would, go so well and stuff. But for now, I want to try different colors because I'm changing my curtains, as you can see. I'm really contemplating whether I should just add another layer of shears to, give it a little bit of weight, or I should actually add other curtains. But that's what I'm doing currently. I'm not showing you like when it's my best, but I'm doing a few changes here and there. So that's why even the pillow, the cushions are not that organized and stuff. But yeah, this is my living space currently. So yeah. Also, let me show you. But no, these are bedrooms. I feel like nowadays when I'm doing house tours, I don't want to show the bedrooms. But yeah, I'll just a short video. But this is the second bed, this is the first bed, and that's the master bedroom. But yeah, I'll show you like a glimpse of it, but not everything, because bedrooms are supposed to be like private. That is where all your dreams happen. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm quite happy with it. My kitchen is a bit busy today because I just did the dishes and stuff, but this is what it looks like. So when you come, yeah, this is what it looks like. So I've not arranged the dishes, you have to forgive me for that, but this is what it looks like so far. Like, it's not the best that I can do, definitely not, but yeah, I need to like arrange more of my kitchen items into their respective areas, and then I also do some laundry so they're drying. Forgive me for that view. And then also this side, like, I need to shop for wine and put them in their cellar. And then down here, those are bananas that I wanted to boil, but they're ripened, so that's sad. And then down here, also, one thing that I hate about this place, I absolutely hate, is they have water issues. So guys, imagine these ones, I have to buy water to use for shower. Like, this whole week there has not been water. Like, what's the point? You understand? Yeah, as much as I love this place and stuff, I just don't appreciate this water issue. Like, even for cooking, this water storage mess is just so bad. It's just so ugly. I can't wait to get rid of this and just change my environment, Yeah, but this is my view when I'm coming from the laundry area. This is my view. I need to get rid of those boxes, but I like to keep boxes because for sensitive equipment or electronics before the time that I'll be moving. You understand? Like, they come in handy whenever I'll be moving, so that's why I keep a few of them. So yeah, like that one is for my microwave and for my blender and for my kettle and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, this is my view. I love the fact that my kitchen is so spacious, y'all. Like, it just makes me so happy. Like, okay, kwenye nilitoka ilikuwa spacious mbaya tena sana. Like, ile hata ningetaka kuweka kitanda katikati hapa, ningeweka na nilale, niamkage nikipika, nikikula, nikirudi kulala. Lakini hii napenda sababu ya easy this kind of setting juu unaweza jua nini iko wapi. Ile ingine ilikuwa closed, like you lazima ucheck ni nini iko wapi. So yeah, I have quite a lot to do with my kitchen, but for now this is what it looks like. It's serving, it's giving. For me, as long as my kitchen is clean, or anyway, like as long as my house is clean, I'm good. I think that's probably why I've not had pets for the longest. Oh, this is my laundry area. Also clean, that's my, I washed the clothing also for the machine, it dried and put it right back. And that's my vacuum cleaner. And those are my clothing drying. Yeah, so that's basically it. Also, I'm looking to buy a six burner because sometimes I have guests and I want to cook as many meals as possible. And you find that the four burner, it's I'm always busy and stuff, like they're always occupied, so it slows me down. So yeah. I didn't show you the newest added guest in my house, a juicer. So I don't need to buy juices. I just make them for myself and my husband. So yeah. So that makes me so happy. Also, the mats are the ones I washed. That's why it's bare like this. So yeah, forgive me. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Let me continue with with changing the curtains and stuff. I can't wait to see how it looks, but I'm thinking I do white, no, cream, a little bit of off-white, and like cream curtains and a touch of white. I wonder what that will look like, but yeah. So these ones have to go, like I have to fold this and fold the rest and go, but yeah, that is currently what my space looks like. I'm looking forward to doing more and more and so on and so forth, but yeah, I'm in love with it. And I know I know. I know she looks good. Oh, I didn't mention I changed my seats. I changed my seats because the other ones were the gray ones were so small, and I wanted somewhere that we could like sometimes just sleep on while watching, TV or something, which I rarely do, but yeah. So that's why I went to get these big ones. Understand? So I got these. They've served me. I love it. Like they're so comfortable, so comfortable. That's why I got them, by the way. If you're wondering when did I change them, yeah, it's been a few months now. Let me say 7 months since I changed them. Yes, so that's why, if you're wondering. And then I went with all white because I love white. White goes with anything and everything. So I changed from gray. But if I'm ever changing my seats again, maybe in like a few years to come, I'll go for either white or, but I still love gray, but I still love white. Well, I'm not afraid to try colors, but yeah, I'll definitely do something about it. So yeah, that's all. That's it, guys. I just wanted to show you my living space currently because I moved houses, and yeah, me, I live anywhere I feel comfortable, and if I feel like any situation is making me uncomfortable, I get moving until the day that I build my own house and I can do my own things. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.